Hey there, viewers! Welcome to today's video about 5 best morning drinks for diabetics.
Are you ready to supercharge your mornings and take control of your blood sugar?
For the millions worldwide navigating the challenges of diabetes, the answer lies in a surprising place: your morning beverage. Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 best morning drinks that can transform your health, one sip at a time. But before we reveal these game changers, a word of caution. While these drinks boast incredible benefits, they also come with unique considerations. From acidity levels to sugar content and optimal quantities, there's more to these beverages than meets the eye. Stick with us as we unravel the secrets to making the most of your morning drink. If you're ready to elevate your health and master your diabetes management, make sure to watch until the end. Believe me, drink number 4 is particularly surprising. So let's get started. Drink 1. Water and lemon. This simple yet potent duo can be a game changer for blood sugar regulation. Lemons are a powerhouse of vitamin C, a mighty antioxidant that tackles the oxidative stress often linked to diabetic complications. But that's not all. Vitamin C also plays a crucial role in enhancing insulin sensitivity, especially for those with type 2 diabetes. The magic of lemons goes beyond vitamin C. These citrus wonders are packed with flavonoids, compounds celebrated for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, a remarkable study discovered that sipping lemon water before a carbohydrate-rich meal led to a staggering 24% reduction in post-meal blood glucose spikes. The secret? Lemon water's ability to alter the meal's pH, slowing down starch digestion. But the benefits don't stop there. Lemon's bioactive compounds also support weight management, a crucial aspect of diabetes care. These flavonoids rev up metabolism and boost fat burning. Paired with water's hydrating and appetite-suppressing effects, lemon water can be a powerful ally in maintaining a healthy weight. A quick tip: don't toss that lemon zest. It's a treasure trove of nutrients that shield your arteries from damage, a common concern in diabetes. However, keep in mind that lemon water's acidity can be tough on tooth enamel. Protect your pearly whites by using a straw, rinsing your mouth after drinking, and waiting a bit before brushing. Drink 2. Black coffee. Free from added sugars and creamers, your daily brew can offer some serious health perks for blood sugar management. The secret lies in coffee's rich supply of antioxidants, particularly chlorogenic acid. This compound not only fights oxidative stress, but also contributes to improved blood sugar metabolism, helping to minimize those dreaded post-meal glucose surges. But the benefits of black coffee extend beyond its antioxidant profile. This morning pick-me-up is also a notable source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in enhancing insulin sensitivity. By incorporating black coffee into your routine, you may pave the way for better blood sugar control. Studies suggest that enjoying 3-4 cups throughout the day can be ideal for many diabetics, but it's crucial to listen to your body and consult with your healthcare provider to determine the optimal amount for you. However, it's important to acknowledge that black coffee, much like lemon water, has an acidic nature. Consistently sipping without proper dental hygiene could pose challenges to your tooth enamel. Moreover, those who are sensitive to caffeine may encounter jitters or disrupted sleep patterns. Drink 3. Water infused with apple cider vinegar. While apple cider vinegar has long been celebrated in traditional medicine across various cultures, its potential in modern diabetes management is truly remarkable. Several studies have focused on exploring the potential of apple cider vinegar in aiding glycemic control. A review conducted in 2018 examined its effects both in the short and long term. The results showed promise for the groups that consumed the vinegar, although not always with a statistically significant difference. The studies included participants with both main types of diabetes. According to the review, the use of apple cider vinegar led to a small but notable reduction in glycated hemoglobin levels after a period of 8 to 12 weeks. This marker reflects the average blood glucose concentrations over the course of several weeks or months, serving as an important parameter in monitoring diabetes management. So, how does apple cider vinegar work its magic? The acetic acid found in apple cider vinegar appears to interfere with the enzymes responsible for breaking down starches. By slowing down this process, it helps to moderate the release and absorption of sugars into the bloodstream. As a result, individuals may experience a more gradual blood sugar response and be less likely to encounter sharp spikes after meals. For those who find the strong taste of apple cider vinegar challenging, adding a touch of natural sweetener or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice can help make it more palatable. If you're considering incorporating apple cider vinegar into your morning routine, a good starting point is to mix 2 tablespoons with a generous amount of water. Remember to always dilute it adequately, and consider using a straw to protect your tooth enamel. Due to its acidic nature, it's best to wait at least half an hour after drinking before brushing your teeth, allowing your saliva to naturally neutralize the acid and safeguard your enamel. Alternatively, give your mouth a quick rinse with plain water after enjoying your apple cider vinegar drink. Drink 4. Chia seed water. These tiny seeds pack a mighty punch when it comes to dietary fiber, a key player in the world of blood sugar regulation. The soluble fiber found in chia seeds has a remarkable ability to create a gel-like consistency when mixed with water. This gel acts as a protective barrier in the stomach, moderating the absorption of sugar and promoting a more gradual release into the bloodstream. For those living with diabetes, this can translate to more stable blood sugar levels and fewer dramatic spikes following meals. But the advantages of chia seeds extend far beyond their fiber content. These little powerhouses are also an excellent source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in supporting insulin function. Additionally, chia seeds boast a significant amount of calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones, a particular concern for those with diabetes who may be more susceptible to bone density issues. By incorporating chia seed water into your morning routine, you can give your body a boost of these vital nutrients. Moreover, the gel-like texture of chia seed water can work wonders for appetite control. By promoting a feeling of fullness, this beverage can help curb those mid-morning cravings and support weight management efforts. For those with diabetes who are focusing on maintaining a healthy weight, this can be a significant advantage. When it comes to preparing your morning chia seed water, a good rule of thumb is to aim for 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per glass of water. This ratio ensures that you can reap the benefits of the seeds without overdoing it. As with any dietary change, it's important to consider your individual needs and balance your intake accordingly. Drink 5. Green tea. This ancient beverage has been revered for centuries, and modern science is now confirming its remarkable potential for those living with diabetes. At the heart of green tea's superpowers are its potent antioxidants known as catechins. Among these, epigallocatechin gallate stands out as a true champion. This particular catechin has been shown to possess properties that can significantly boost insulin sensitivity. By enhancing the body's ability to efficiently process glucose, green tea can contribute to a more stable energy release and reduce the likelihood of sudden blood sugar spikes, a common concern for many in the morning. The evidence supporting green tea's benefits is nothing short of impressive. A comprehensive study performed in Japan involving more than 17,000 participants revealed that those who regularly consumed at least 6 cups of green tea per day had a remarkable 33% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes compared to those who drank less than 1 cup per week. Notably, these benefits were observed regardless of factors such as age, body weight, physical activity levels, or overall diet. For individuals who have already been diagnosed with diabetes, the findings are equally encouraging. The study found that consistent green tea consumption was associated with improved insulin sensitivity and a significant reduction in fasting blood glucose levels. Given the crucial role that mornings play in setting the stage for stable blood sugar throughout the day, making green tea a part of your morning routine can be a smart and strategic choice. But the advantages of green tea extend beyond its impact on blood sugar. This remarkable beverage is also a natural source of L-theanine, an amino acid renowned for its ability to promote mental clarity and focus. For those navigating the daily challenges of diabetes management, which often requires careful attention to diet, physical activity, and medication, starting the day with a beverage that supports cognitive function can be incredibly valuable. Of course, as with any caffeinated beverage, it's important to be mindful of your intake. For individuals with diabetes, experts generally recommend limiting green tea consumption to 1-2 cups per morning. Opting for high-quality tea leaves can help you maximize the potential benefits while minimizing any unwanted side effects. By starting your day with a thoughtfully chosen beverage, you set the stage for positive choices and a proactive approach to your well-being. If you found the information in this video valuable, we encourage you to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit. We also invite you to join our community by subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell. By doing so, you'll ensure that you never miss out on the latest updates, tips, and strategies for thriving with diabetes. Now, we'd love to hear from you. If you have any favorite morning drink recipes or personal experiences to share, please leave a comment below. Your insights and stories can inspire and support others who are navigating similar challenges. Remember, small choices can lead to big changes. By starting your day with a diabetes-friendly beverage, you're taking a powerful step towards better blood sugar control and overall well-being. To gain further insights into naturally healing your body and preventing undesirable illnesses, you may also find some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right now that I believe you'll enjoy. Thank you for joining us today. Stay healthy. Bye.